Hey everybody, Christian Merwin, inventor of the Nectar Collector, here today to talk to you about the Mini Pro. Super excited about this guy. It's a 4th generation Nectar Collector featuring our very latest Infinity Tech, no thread, no glue collars, very durable, very easy to take apart, put back together. We'll pop this end off, put the water in it, we just fill it up. If you fill it up to the top of the Spillguard, I'm kind of filling it up upside down here. Plug it back together here. And then you want to make sure that the hole for the diffuser lines up with the flat spot on the bottom. We got all that together, push together, flip it over. You have just the right amount of water in there. This bigger chamber here allows for a little extra water covering the diffuser, which makes for better water filtration. The long mouthpiece also acts as a little bit of a splash guard, kind of going back to the original Nectar Collector design, which I really love, but I love this a lot more. It's got a stinger tip, which is also some of our latest and greatest technology. Stinger tips come apart so you can replace the quartz easily, which means that, you know, the one part of your piece that's going to get really dirty is very easy to replace. All goes together like this. Sits really nicely on the table this way, or you can get the stand. The stand's extra, but man, it looks nice in the stand. I think you guys are going to love this one, and happy dabbing.